Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Namswar. Today I'm here to share a job update with you, that is Mastercard is hiring freshers for software engineer on who knows Java. Oops. So don't worry, I will post the link in the description of this job update or this website. I will post in the post link in the description, so check it out there. So everything like this all I will explain in a simple PPT. So Mastercard is hiring software engineer Java Oops location. It is located over the global in 200 plus countries. Experience you need to have is 6 months to 2 years. Education you should be from bachelor's in IT, CSS or equivalent. You need to be in this education sector. Next about Mastercard. Powers economics and empowers people through technology and innovation, supports secure, simple, and accessible digital payments, building a sustainable digital economy. Job role: you need to design, build, and maintain applications and SDKs, develop secure, scalable solution, collaborate with global teams, provide application support and troubleshooting. Next, responsibility: you need to code, test, implement, and document software, work with cross functional teams, perform feasibility studies, impact analysis, document software as per best practices, participate in on call support rotation. These are your responsibilities. The required skills: you need to be have you should be strong in Java and OOPS knowledge, understanding of software engineering principles, high energy and self motivation. Excellent. You need to have excellent communication skills. You need to ability to work in diverse global teams. You must be knowing how to work in a team. Next, security responsibility. All Mastercard employees must follow security policies, ensure data confidentiality, integrity, and report any security breaches. Complete mandatory security trainings. Why you should apply? Because you must be part of a global tech leader, work on secure payment platforms, opportunity to grow and innovate, collaborate with talented teams worldwide. So try to apply for this job as soon as possible because August 21 is the last date for this. But I suggest you to apply as soon as possible because they might pick up in first come first serve principle. So as soon as you apply, you there are high chances of you to select in the internship. I mean in the job. So everything I have explained in the PPT. So now let's click on apply now. So here you can just complete your job application by uploading your resumes. If you upload resume, it would be easier to fill this all information. So they are asking to upload resume. So let's upload the resume now. So I have uploaded the resume. Now you need to check all this information if they are correct or wrong. After checking once, proceed to the next step. So let me check now. So from my resume, everything what is important means what the mark last star, everything it has filled. And here another it like how did you hear about us? Keep like something like keep social media the source, keep other. They're asking have you ever worked for Mastercard? If you worked, click yes. If not, then keep no. Phone device type you can keep as mobile. See in this, if you want to get mails or want Mastercard to store your like use your personal information for the job or anything else, you can tick this. If you don't want, you can just leave it as it is and click on next. So I'm just clicking yes and next. So next page is my experience. Here, if you just upload your resume, it will automatically fill all this information. See how it filled for me. In the same way, it can be filled for you. So upload your resume here. So if your resume is not filling all this, you can just fill manually. Like here, what you need to give is your job title means. If you did any internship, you can mention the company name, Location is not mandatory. If you want to mention, you can mention from like from when to when you did, then role what you did in that internship, another internship, and if you're currently working, means currently if you're pursuing that internship, you can just give that. Here you need to mention your university name or college name, like if you're studying in BTech, that college name, degree, what like you're doing. If you're doing bachelor's, you can keep bachelor's or explore the options which you're doing. Bachelor's, field of study, you can keep like if you what you're doing, you can keep. If you're doing computers, science and engineering, so here you can give your overall result, means GPA. You can give like if you got result up to 3.1 or 3.1 or 3.2, you can give the GPA from like from when you started the course, like BTech, from when you started that year to expected. If you're going to complete it in 26 or 27, like that, you can mention here. Here only degree is enough. You need not to write your intermediate or school details here. So you can just click on, if already added, auto added by this resume, you can just click on minus. Okay, skills, you can add your skills here. So if you not upload your resume before this, you can just upload here. Here under websites, you can add your LinkedIn website, GitHub, HackerRank, or anything else. What portfolio, whatever you have, you can upload here. Or this is anything you can upload here. This is not compulsory, but if you add this, it will add weightage to for selection. So let's add. You can give something link that like this. I gave my GitHub link. You can give any other. Then click on next. If you're applying the job in India or you are an Indian citizen, you can select S. If you're working outside the country or applying outside the country and you don't have valid visa, then you can select no here. If you're Indian, then you can select S. If you are applying from India and you want to work, you're planning to work in India, then you can select no. If you are outside the India and if you don't have visa, then you can click S. If you've gone through this, then you should click yes. If you've not gone through this, restrictive covenant non-competent agreement, just select no and then click on next. This are asking if your family members or any relatives like who can approve business and government deals with Mastercard, like anyone or there in your family, then you can select it. But my recommendation is to select no unless you're aware of such concerns. So let's click no. For all this, you can just simply keep no unless you're having close relatives or you know anyone personally in Mastercard. You can, until then, you just keep no. Then click on next. If you want to read all the terms and conditions, you can just go through it. But I'll tell you the summary of this. So, if you are planning to work in USA or outside of the country, India, outside of the India, then you must be vaccinated. And they said that this Mastercard provides fair transactions, means fair hiring and fair paying of amount, and they are giving the privacy notice that they will store your information and use for the job, and they do background verification, like they check your job roles and everything. They do a background verification. So if needed, you must do that. And Mastercard don't ask for money. So if anyone is asking for money for this Mastercard application or anything else, you this is a scam warning. You must ignore it. So this is the summary. You can just click on check this and go to next. So after clicking on next, you will be getting like what you have filled the review. Like finally, you need to check if everything is correct. If everything is correct, then you can just click on submit. So after clicking or submitting, your job application has successfully you applied successfully. Now if you want to create account, you can click on this. Or if you want to go to the home page, you can just click on this. Or if you want to join the talent community, you can click here. So if you want to create account, I'll show you create your account. If you already have, you can just sign in. If you want to create, or like if you are new to this, you can just click on create account, give your email address, password, and verify new password. Click on I acknowledge, then click on create account. So here you can check your application, like you applied, right? That you can check. You can check your application status and what the action they are taking further. You can check here. So that's all for today's video. Apply for this job as soon as possible because they might fetch a first come first service serves. And if you have any doubt regarding this video or any other video from my channel, you can just drop in the doubt in the comment box. I will surely help you out. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.